I have been building rockwork for most of my life, and I can say without reservation that the best way to apply concrete is pneumatically. Whether you are using a shotcrete or a plaster design mix, the tip is to always pneumatically apply it. Here are a few tricks to help you along. If there is no shotcrete or plaster pumps available, or the collateral damage is not worth the order, or you simply do not have the manpower for a chute, you may be better off to do it by hawk and trowel. Sometimes a hawk and trowel can be a little more precise and prevent a lot of the unnecessary overspray. A variety of scoops are available, like the one you see here. Or you may choose to make your own to help you get the material out of a bucket faster and onto your hawk. It is important to always keep your tools very clean. Keep a bucket of water handy and a brush nearby to keep your tools clean. If you forget to clean your tools, you can always run them through the sand for a quick polish. I'm Richard. Thanks for watching and rock on, my friends.